Hello everyone, today we're going to explore our new trading platform currently in the beta version. It's simple and really cool. Let's get started to see what it can do. Let's give you a general impression of our platform. By navigating to this part, you can see your account number, and at the lower part, you can see your connection status, balance, credit, equity, and free margin. On the left side, you spot the market watch where you can see all the symbols. This is the advanced chart where you can analyze the price and use new features like the economy calendar. Here is the trading section. We will discuss it further shortly. This is the terminal section where you can see your open positions, pending orders, etc. Here's the awesome part, a new advanced tool that combines some indicators and shows the buy and sell strength. Note, although this is a great feature, we do not bear any responsibilities for trades made based on it. Now let's get practical. To open a chart, you can simply drag and drop the asset, or you can click on the symbol and click on the Open Chart option. Now let's place a trade. We can use the Quick Trade section or the Advanced section. By using the Quick Trade section, you will not be able to set stop losses or take profits for your trade. But don't worry, you can modify it later. But as the name Quick suggests, this section is used when you are in a hurry. Let's set the volume and execute the trade. As you can see here, it is asking us to confirm it. If you want to be able to trade by one click without having to confirm it, enable the one-click trading here. As you can see, it did not ask us to confirm it this time. Now the advanced section. You can choose the execution type, buy, sell limit orders, buy, sell stop orders, and market execution. Select the volume here and set the take profit and the stop loss here. You can leave a comment as well. Now let's check the terminal section now the trades are opened. To close an order, simply click on Close button. If you wish to modify your trade's stop loss or take profit, click on this button. Alter the information and click on Modify. Hit the reverse button to quickly close your trade and open a new one in the opposite direction with the same size. Press the duplicate button to instantly open a new order identical to the one you selected. This is another cool feature where you can close all trades, close trades in profit, or close the losing trades. And you can see your floating profits here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that we are available 24/7. Do not hesitate to contact us. Goodbye.